Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with red accents throughout the vehicle, paneling cup holder storage on the bottom with your powered liftgate. Comes equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That little come up to the power locks, mirrors the windows, with your seat memory and chrome accents. And these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip information, your gauges, as well as you can access, your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation. You also have Amazon Alexa as well as Spotify. You can access your climate, as well as you can see your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your mirror cams. Below here, you're going to have the dual zone climate control with the 2 huge vents, and as well as 2 USB ports right in the middle with the wireless charging pad just below. Of course, the RS shifter. You're going to have park assist, lane keep assist, your 2 and all-wheel drive, as well as your race mode, trailering, and off-road. As well as a center console with 2 more USB ports and an SD card reader. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. The red accents all the way across. The glove box there. Regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you're getting these 21-inch wheels on Continental Cross contact tires with 2-tone. You got the black mirror cap, and then the paint match keyless entry door handles and mirror caps with deep tint rear glass in the back. Your black badging as well as the dual exhausts. Into the back here, you got 60/40 folding seats, as well as LED lamps, hooks, as well as extra wheel storage down below. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear, now you got the paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with the heated rear seats. With lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear ventilation, USB ports, as well as an AC ball port right there. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as a panoramic sunroof, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, heated and ventilated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.